What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. We're back with another product review. We're finally done. We got a break from all of the rain that Southern California is getting. I washed up the exterior of the car and I've had this product laying around in the garage that I bought from Amazon. So it's called Shine Armor Interior Cleaner. So I want to give this a try on my brand new 2023 Kia Forte because the dashboard and the interior console is filthy dirty. So let's give this product a try. All right, so first things first that I want to kind of address in this video, this bottle and the spray. If I'm going to come closer right here, you're going to see an on, and then on the back side there's an off. So basically you press this if you want to open and for it to spray. Pretty simple instructions over here. You're going to spray a clean microfiber towel one side, apply it on the dashboard, then flip it around. If you need, spray another and continue cleaning the dashboard. So this is supposed to clean it. I don't think it's going to give it any type of a shine. If you want, afterwards you could protect it, put some type of a shine on your dashboard depending if you like it shiny or not. So let's give this a try and I'll let you know at the end my thoughts on it. Alright guys, as you can see, I have two towels right there. I only use the orange one for now, but look at that. For one-time spray, I flipped as needed. I've only applied it one time in each area that I worked on, and I'm actually loving the finish. First off, it smells kind of like lemons, which is a pretty good smell in comparison to a lot of other stuff that might smell like chemicals and all. And my most important thing that I like is it's a matte finish. So I applied it one time, like I said, on the towel, flipped as needed, and applied it throughout the front of the car. I'm gonna have to attack the rear where the kids sit and I have all the juice spills. But in my honest opinion, if I had a rating, this probably would be a 9 out of 10, maybe even a 10 out of 10. All right, so that's a wrap for this video on this Shine Armor Interior Cleaner. I'm gonna link this in the description below if you guys wanna go and buy it on Amazon. Like I said, I like it. Smells like lemons, keeps the car clean, protected, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you're new, consider subscribing. I'll catch y'all on the next one.